Hello guys, welcome back to the channel about jobs. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to sharing about some requirements from Australia. It's the latest openings and new jobs from Australia. So if you are looking for a job in Australia, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So please keep watching this video up to end. In this video, I'll share with you some new requirements, latest job openings from Australia. So let's start. You can see here the new requirements from Australia. First job is experienced production line machine operator in Australia. As you can see here, they mentioned the organizational informations. Let's focus. Digital consultancy firms and requirement 24 by 7 working in partnership with one of Australia's most reputable buildings product manufacturing companies based at Rochedale. Currently has several vacancies for experienced production line machines operators, forklift drivers that will also be required to do some laboring type work as needed. So you can see here the requirements from Australia. This is a jobs for machine operators and should be have experience. So you can see here, if you are interested in the above positions and believe that you have the necessary skills, experience and are reliable, then please email your resume and optional cover letter when you apply to mark access at this email ID. So let me highlight this email ID. You can get this email ID from the descriptions, and I can suggest you, if you want to apply for these jobs, please go to the descriptions and read all this information. I already shared this information in the descriptions. Please read it carefully. I am describing you very shortly because the video will be long. So let's focus the next jobs. I just inform you what is the necessary things, and they mentioned so many informations about these requirements. So I can request you, please go to the descriptions and collect this information and read it carefully. So let's focus what is the next jobs. You can see here, motor mechanic required in Australia. It's a jobs for motor mechanics. So you can, let's focus what is the information, what is the basic requirements. Flexiforce is looking for a qualified motor mechanic. The company name is Flexiforce from Australia, for an established business in the most Valley area. So this is a servicing workshop with loyal clientele, covering all types of service, inspections and motor replacements. This role is Monday to Friday and Saturday fee negotiations, and is permanent full-time positions. The successful applicants will be experienced in a wide range of machinery, though they should have some experience of customer service and work well in the team. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs, you can send your CV to this email ID. I am again telling you, please, if you want to apply, if you are interested to apply for these jobs, you have to collect this official email ID from the descriptions. So don't be confused. So let's focus what is the next jobs. It's a labor duty manager. So this is a duty manager jobs for labor in Australia. You can see here, this is an entry level positions for a labor's duty managers. Requirements: collect garment samples from our warehouse, collect and process the payments made by our established customers, distribute garment samples to our daily workers, identify new potential clients in your area. Minimum of 6 months contracts. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs, you can send your CV to this email ID. I'm telling you, for all jobs, the process is you have to send your CV initially, and if your CV will be shortlisted, then they will contact you for interview. If you will get success from interview, then they will proceed for offer letter or sponsor letter. Then you can making the visa. Then you can move to jobs. So this is genuine process. So let's focus what is the next jobs. The next job is experience. I already told you these positions, and you can see here the next job is psychologist required in Australia. This is a high profile jobs. This is a higher qualified jobs. So I can suggest you, please, if you are looking for abroad jobs, please focus this information and try it now and apply it as soon as possible. So let's focus what is the job descriptions. Private practice clinical psychologist or psychologist, about Berenjoy psychology. This private practice has a very positive reputation of the northern beaches in providing quality individual relationships and family therapy to adults, children, and Adolescent clients who present with a wide range of issues. We provide treatment for trauma and rehabilitations, chronic pain and illness, as well as anxiety and mood disorders, drug and alcohol issues, and men's health. The opportunity due to the growth of the practice, we are now seeking another clinical psychologist or psychologist to become a respected and valued member of the team in a contracting capacity. So role descriptions. What is the role descriptions? Let's focus. And as I think, if you are interested to apply for the psychologist jobs, I think you already know what is the requirements for these jobs. So role descriptions: psychologist in a contract positions with a minimum of 2 years postgraduate experience, minimum of 2 days per week with flexible days and hours. Ability to work after hours and weekends will be highly regarded. So benefits of working and when enjoy opportunity to earn an excellent salary with the potential for career growth in a successful local private practice and place. So obviously, if you are a high profile, high skill, and you have the psychiatric qualifications, obviously if you will move to abroad, obviously you will get a good salary, don't doubt. Working in the light and area offices that are in the building next to the private area to one hospitals. The, the offices have access to Wi-Fi visitors, car parking, and there is a cafe and child care center on the premises. We provide a reception booking service and a steady referral base. You will have access to the practice online booking daily with SMS reminders and prepared invoices for your clients. So you can see here the requirements and the basic needs to apply for these jobs. You can see here. So if you are interested to apply, they already mentioned what is the selection criteria. You can see here, full registration as a psychologist is essential. You will need at least 2 years experience as a registered psychologist. You will have eligibility with AHPRA as a Medicare provider. So if you are interested, you can apply. I will share with you what is the applying process. You can see here the applying process is, if you are interested, please see our websites. They already mentioned this website. Let me highlight this website. You can collect these websites from the descriptions. I already told you all information is in the descriptions. You have to go to the descriptions under this video, and if you want to interested to apply for these jobs, please visit these websites. And this is official email ID. You have to send your CV and cover letters to this email ID. So let's focus what is the next jobs. 30 event support crew required in Australia. This is a jobs for event support crew. So you can see here the informations. So support Australian crewing company is looking for a event support crew. Experience in the event industry is desirable but not essential. However, you must be accommodated to manual physical work and heavy lifting. The work can involve loading and unpacking trucks and vans, setting up sound, lighting, and AV systems, concerts, corporate, and support events. So you can see here the operator machinery of qualified staffs, and what is the requires for this. You can see here to ability to work in variety of environments. They mentions what is the basic requirements for apply these jobs. So please read it carefully. Again, I am telling you, please keep in mind all information is in the descriptions. Go to the description under this video and read it carefully. Then it will be easy to apply for these jobs. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs, you can note this email ID and you have to send your CV to this email ID. So I already told you, if you are interested to apply for these jobs, you have to read it carefully from the descriptions, and if you are interested, as soon as possible you have to apply. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and in the next video I'll share with you what is the latest jobs, new job openings from another country. Stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye. See you.